This is a compact space heater, and it measures approximately 7.5 inches by 5 inches by 4.5 inches. And what's really nice is it's very easy to use. And it's 1200 watts of power, and on low setting, it's 800. And this is how easy it is to work. You have a power button here, you have 2 speeds here, and it lights up. So the first speed is 1 and the second speed is 2. And there's also a timer, 2 hour, 4 hour, or 6 hour. And there's also a handle here in the back as well. So it's very easy to transport from room to room. Another nice feature is it has this removable area so you can clean the lint every so often. And it's also very easy to put back. Now, let me show you how easy it is to use. All you have to do is push this power button. And this lights up and you already start feeling the heat. Now, this is on the low setting, but if I want to put it again, I put it on the higher setting. Simple as that. And let's say I want to use it for 2 hours. You put the 2-hour timer on. And if I want to do it 4 hour, you just push it again. And for 6 hour, you push it once more. Now, another nice safety feature is it will automatically shut off if it overheats. Plus, it will automatically shut off if it gets tilted. Just like that. So if accidentally you tilt it, or tip it over, or your cat tips it over, no problem, it automatically shuts off. So definitely recommend it. Very nice design, and it also comes in several different finishes as well. And you just feel the heat and it feels so cozy warm. Definitely recommend this unit. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.